What is going on, YouTube? Welcome to today's video. I'm really excited because we're going to be putting on the new wheels on the STI. I have them back here. If you guys haven't watched my most recent video, I did put on the gold TE37s that were on my WRX. They look okay. These wheels are going to be looking a lot better on the car. I think this setup you guys are really going to like. Before we get today's video started, just want to ask you guys to please subscribe to the channel. We're so close to 4,000 subs. Really want to try and hit 4,000 by next week. So if you guys could go ahead and support me, support the channel, hit the subscribe button down below, I would really appreciate it. Also, if you guys are in the DC, Maryland, Virginia area and you need somebody to mount your tires, stretch your tires, roll your fenders, install coilovers, any sort of that type of stuff, hit up my guy Nathaniel at Curio Garage Innovations. This is where I'm at right now. I'm gonna put his information in the description below. He is the coolest guy. He's really good at all of that type of stuff. So if you guys are looking for someone trustworthy that'll do a good job and won't charge you an arm or a leg, definitely go ahead and check him out on Instagram. I'll put his stuff in the description down below. But anyways, now that we got that out of the way, let's get started with the video. Alright, you guys, so here's one last look at what the STI looks like at the moment. These are the gold TE37s that I had on my WRX. 18 by 10 plus 40 with a 265/35 tire. The new setup is actually going to be a little bit less aggressive. They're going to be 18 by 9.5 plus 45. I think you guys are going to like the new wheels a lot better. But anyways, just wanted to give you guys one quick last look before we go ahead and swap these wheels out for the new ones. Honestly, I didn't really like this setup at first. It kind of grew on me now. The black and gold looked pretty good, but the new color on these new wheels is gonna look a lot better. So anyways, last time seeing the STI like this. Anyways, I'm excited. Let's go ahead and pull the car in and we're gonna go ahead and mount these tires on the new wheels. I'm gonna be using these same 265/35 tires on the new setup. Alright, you guys, we are here at the gas station right now. We got the wheels on. They look really good. Yeah, don't got much to say, just here it is. So these are going to be Advan RZIIs. These are 18 by 9.5 plus 45. I'm still running the same 265/35 tire. They're about ½ inch less aggressive, so they're poking out about ½ inch less. I think I might want to run a little bit of a bigger sidewall just to fill in the wheel well a little bit better so the fitment looks a little bit better. But yeah, I'm really happy with how these turned out. They look really good. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Let me know if you guys like these better or if you like the gold ones, the TE37s. I think these look really good. It's a nice change. I still have a front lip sitting at home that I need to go ahead and put on. But yeah, these are the new wheels. The brakes look really good with these wheels. You can see the brakes a lot better now. It looks really good. So I'm really liking the black and bronze color. I think black and bronze is a really good color combo to go with. But yeah, just a quick little walk around. As you can see, a little bit less aggressive. They're a little bit more tucked in. Anyways, if you guys stuck around to the end of the video, thank you guys so much for watching. Again, remember to hit the like button, make sure to subscribe. Let's get the channel to 4,000. We're almost there, less than 100 subs away. So please support the channel, support me, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.